Before refilling, carefully remove the yellow plastic label from the cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the kit holder, ensuring it is airtight. Remove the stopper located at the top of the cartridge. Open the ink bottle and carefully cut the seal. Ensure the bottle is securely closed afterward. Gently squeeze the ink into the cartridge. Refill the cartridge until the sponge is approximately 3/4 full. Insert the stopper securely into the cartridge. Remove the cartridge from the kit holder. It is now ready for use. The black cartridge has nearly double the capacity. Carefully remove the yellow plastic label from the cartridge. Slot the black cartridge into the kit holder. Remove the stopper. Open the ink bottle. Carefully cut the seal and close the bottle securely. Gently squeeze the ink into the cartridge until the sponge is approximately 3/4 full. Insert the stopper securely into the cartridge. Remove the cartridge from the kit holder. The cartridge is now ready for use.